Hey, what's up guys, it's Franklin Melo here, and right here in this video today I am actually going to be sharing with you guys how I have been able to make over 140k in the past 10 days using this simple formula, this simple website I shared with you guys a few days ago. So jumping on my screen right now, you can actually see that this is this particular website, and it says here, hello Franklin, your account balance is 142,000 naira, right? And guys, it actually feels so good that I actually end this in less than 10 days, right? In less than 10 days jumping on this very platform. And one of the best things here is it actually required me no skills, it actually required me no brain work, and it also took me almost nothing to actually make this money from the internet. And that is exactly why I'm making this video today, so that I can actually share with all of you guys out there, and you can start up this simple thing for yourself and start to make money online using your phone. Guys, I said using your phone. It's 2022, and from now on beyond, there are actually so many websites out there that will actually help you to earn from your phone, right? So if you are actually a stay-at-home mom, you're looking for something you can start doing from your home, or you're a student and you're looking for something that you can start doing, you don't have money to start, you're looking for how to raise your capital to actually jump on other things online, then this website I'm going to share with you guys today would help you to get started. You can actually start up working on this site, and you can start making a lot of money for yourself, and you can start growing your online business. So what is this website we're talking about here? You can see it on my screen right now, and this is Owodaily. And Owodaily basically is a digital and affiliate network platform, and what they actually do here is actually opening up a platform where people can actually find jobs, right? And at the same time, business owners can also upload their jobs on, right? So here, what you're basically doing is actually acting as a digital worker, and you're actually taking on simple tasks, right? I mean tasks that will take you almost nothing to execute. And once you can actually take on these jobs, you get paid. Now, you actually remember that video I did the last time. You can actually see that video right here. Yeah, this is the video right here I did right now. And after making this video, I actually shared with you guys my dashboard, and you guys saw about 80 to 100 naira or thereabout. And the thing here is, I actually finished making this video, and I decided to do some more jobs on this particular platform, and also create different avenues to draw traffic to the platform. And this is exactly how we turned that simple amount of money we actually had in less than 10 days to over 140k right now. All right, so I'm going to be walking you through all of these things and showing you what you need to do, and how you can also follow through with everything I've done step by step. If you actually want to start making money online using your phone, you don't need any skill. Honestly, like, you don't need anything, you don't need any skill, you don't need to start going to classes or something like that. No courses, no coaching, nothing. Just follow through this video and you can jump on and start making money for yourself. So on the website right here, you can actually see here, there's access to unlimited digital jobs or products and services shared by businesses, and you earn a commission when a job is completed or you make a sale, right? So it says here, as a brand or business, you never pay for bad traffic and all. So the basic thing, like I actually explained earlier, is there are actually businesses that actually come and post jobs on this site, and you actually act as a digital worker, and you come up on this website and you begin to take on jobs. And when you take on jobs, you get paid for the jobs you take. And you can see here, you can actually click start earning. But before we go on, there are actually two aspects of Owodaily, right? Actually more than two, but I'm going to share with you guys these two today, so that you can actually get started with one of them ASAP, right? So it's either you're an Owodaily member, or you're an Owodaily Plus affiliate, right? And for an Owodaily member, you actually earn by simply completing digital jobs, and you're actually in their network of affiliates and you are being hired. But when you actually jump on the Owodaily Plus, you actually get everything that is inside of the Owodaily member, and also you have access as an affiliate to make more money for yourself selling products, and you're getting commission from them, right? So now the thing is, I won't tell you it's free, right? Because definitely you need to invest something in order to get started. There is nothing you actually want to do in this life that you will actually invest something. Your money, your time, your effort, something must go down, right? And here you're going to be investing your money in order to start up on this very site. But guys, trust me, it's actually as cheap as it's almost less than $10. So for the Owodaily member, you are going to be signing up here with just 3,000, right? 3,000 naira, just 3,000 naira you need, right? Signing up as an Owodaily member. And then for the Owodaily Plus, you're going to be signing up with 10,000 naira. Guys, if someone had told me that if I sign up on this platform with 10,000 naira, I would make 140K in 10 days, then I would actually say I'm lying. Like I wouldn't even believe the person at all. But this is exactly what happened. So imagine I actually signed up with 10,000 naira as an Owodaily Plus member, and in 10 days, I've done over 140K. This is actually a wise investment. Where will you put your 10K and you get 140K in 10 days? Like, honestly, there is no place currently, and this is why I'm actually going to be saying that if you're actually signing up, it's okay to sign up as an Owodaily member with 3K, but then jump on the Owodaily Plus affiliates, right? So you can get access to everything they have on the platform. You can actually work as a digital worker. You can post jobs. You can also become an affiliate, and you have access to selling different products and services they have on the platform itself. Right, so coming over here, scrolling down through the website, you can see every things that they actually have. And okay, here is the membership, right, where you get the membership plan for 3,000 naira for a lifetime, right? Yeah, for a lifetime, and the Owodaily Plus for 10,000 naira for their annual subscription. Right, and this basically gives you access to every of the dashboard they have there. So this is actually, the way to get started. And you looking to get started right now, I am going to be leaving a link for you guys right down there in the description. Just make sure you use my link to sign up, because honestly, if you don't use my link to sign up, I don't know, like, what's up with you, man. Right? So go use my link, franklinemmanuel.com/Owodaily. franklinemmanuel.com/Owodaily. And once you actually put that in your browser, you are actually going to be, coming up here on the platform, Owodaily, and you can come here and click on become a member. Now, the last time I actually did the video, most people actually complained that they could not really, easily access this website. But then I really wonder why, because this website is as simple as ABC. Like, honestly, me signing up, it was an easy breeze. Like, I just went through everything straight up, right? So you click on become a member. And once you click on become a member, the next thing you want to do here is to begin to fill in your details, right? You fill in your full name, email address, phone number, the country, the state, the account name, and you can see here they're already asking you for account name, and the basic reason they're asking you for your account name and your account number and everything is just so that once you start making money, they can pay you ASAP, right? They can pay you ASAP, and this is exactly what they actually hold on, because definitely nobody actually wants to do some job and get some money in the air or in whatever website, and they can't get it to their bank account, right? And it's Nigeria, and they pay it to a local bank account, so you don't need to start hustling for PayPal or whichever US bank account that will actually get you paid in. You get it directly to your local bank account. And guys, once you actually fill up all of these details here, you'll be taken over to the next page where, they will actually have to send you a verification email. And one thing about the verification email is sometimes, because of the internet and, network issues and all, you would actually, have to check up this mail both in your inbox and your promotion tab and even your spam, right? So sometimes in case it goes to the spam folder, you can check up in the spam folder and be sure to get this particular email and access it, right? Once you are able to verify your email, you can go ahead and you make payments as a member here, right? You can go ahead and make payments as a member here. And like I said, I would really urge you guys, if you can actually pay the 10,000 subscription for the Owodaily Plus, and you get access to more features. Trust me that this is actually one of those opportunities that I would have actually jumped on before now, but then it's okay. Whenever you start basically, right? So once you've been able to do all of this and verify your email and you make payments, right, you can go ahead to accessing the platform itself, right? So I actually got a couple of complaints from people who were like, oh, I can't make payments and all of those things in the last video I did. And even at that, I actually saw over 100 persons that actually were able to access the site and they made payments. So I'm really wondering why or where the issue is coming from here. So make sure you actually access your mails and you can confirm and verify your email so that you can also have access to, continuing with accessing the platform and you get everything that they have in here. So I'm going to log into my account right now and, walk you guys through everything inside of the account and what you can start doing. So All right, I'm logged into my account right now, and you can actually see here, well, there's a notice, all members and affiliate payment has been processed. Have a nice weekend, right? So this guy's actually processed payment, and once it's been processed, you can actually, start receiving your funds down into your local bank account. And someone actually asked me the last time, how much do you, okay, someone asked if it is real, and that person asked, how much do you process, right? So I won't just be the only one to say this, because me making this video actually, checks that it is real. But then you can see this comment right down here. This comment here, this person said he has done over 40,000 naira from the Owodaily platform and he's been paid out. So I think you should actually trust this guy that just made this comment, because, don't just hear from me alone, right? But then I really don't know why you are still seated there and you're yet to take action. My link is down in the description, and you should click the link and sign up right now. Click the link right down there in the description of this video and sign up right now. So coming over here, you can actually see that there are several jobs, and business owners have actually posted a lot of jobs here. And all you need to do is just to come over here and pick up a job to do. Like now, this job are as simple as ABC. That's why I said you do not need any form of skill. You don't need any brain work. You don't need, all you need is your phone. You can log in with your phone, and you can see this person here says, like my Instagram reel and get 10 naira. Like my Instagram reel and get 10 naira. Okay, so I actually know a couple of you guys. This is another one here. Put an Instagram comment on a video and get 10 naira. This one says here, like YouTube video, comment and subscribe and get 15 naira. And this one says here, write a review and you get 1,000 naira. So guys, the first thing here is, you might actually think, oh, it's 10 naira. What is 10 naira? What is like 10 naira? What is $1,000 and all of those things? It can actually be little money. But then what I actually calculate is how long it will take me to acquire, or how long it's going to take me to make this money. That is the simple thing here. Because honestly, let's stop deceiving ourselves. You actually think it's 10 naira, but then if I can actually do a job, and in less than 15 seconds, I have finished the job and submitted, then it is worth it. Honestly, that is just the truth, right? If it's going to take me, okay, for example now, it says here, like my Instagram reel, and I can just apply for the job. And once I apply for the job, it brings me over to this particular place here, and it just gives me the instruction, job information, and all I need to do is just to copy this link, visit this link below, like video, thank you, and that is all. So I come over here, I open up a new tab. It could be on your phone, like I actually said, you can work on your phone. And once I open up this, I would just go over to, this is the particular video, right? This is the particular video, and I come here and I like, right? You just say like, and I'm done. And I come back here and I can submit, right? So I would submit my Instagram URL. So the proof needed here is your Instagram username. So I'm just going to come over here and submit. Boom, submit my proof. That's it. Submit my proof. Like, that is it, guys. I'm done with this particular job. And we are both watching here now. Like, we are both seeing it. It took me less than 15 seconds to actually complete this task, and that is $10, right? So imagine if I'm actually taking about, we just did this in 10 seconds. In 10 seconds, you do 10 naira, right? That is in a minute, you're doing 16 naira. And if you can actually go ahead and you keep on accumulating this particular amount of money in a day, like I said, in a day you can do 3 to 5k, right? You can do 3 to 5k, and you can even make up to 10k in a day. Trust me, I know guys that actually here on this platform and they're making 10k per day, because it's just pick up your phone, sit down. Like, you don't need anything extra. You could even be on the road, and maybe you are actually on a journey to some kind of place, and you just pick up your phone and you're taking up on simple task in the public transport, or in your private car or something, and do the simple task and you get paid. You do the simple task and you get paid. Guys, we are all looking for a side hustle to do. We are all looking for something that we can actually do on the side, and this is one you can do. I could easily go on to taking other tasks, and you can see here, write a blog review, and I earn $1,000. So if you're not really cool with all of the little amount here, go for the bigger ones, right? There are bigger ones. This is another one for 750. This is another job here for 2,000 naira. This is another job here for 500 naira. And like I said, these things will take you so much to do, right? This is another one here for 250 naira. And so much more, right? So business owner keep on updating this very place right now with different jobs. And all you need to do is just to complete these tasks and you make your money, right? And at the same time, guys, there is a simple way you can actually make, or you can win a car, right, with Owodaily right now. Yes, there is a simple way you can win a car, and I'm actually going to end that car to actually win that car, and I think you should also be going for that. But then I'm actually here and sharing this opportunity with you guys so that you can also get this opportunity for yourself, right? So if you actually want to win a car, all you simply need to do is to come over and you share the opportunity with other people, right? Yeah, you're coming over and you share the opportunity with other people. So you can see here, win a car, and the simple thing you need to do is to share the opportunity with other people. Like, just refer people, right? Refer people who can actually come here and they take on tasks, and at the same time you also refer business owners that come here and they actually upload jobs to be done. So coming over here to the win a car section, you can see here that, wow, I actually have 667K pending. Honestly, like I have 600, and you guys can see it now, not be saying a lie, this is my screen, right? I have 667K pending, but I've been able to claim 141K, right, which is actually 142, but then I guess there is a commission out, and I have pending earning of 52K, so sorry, 526K. And once all of this is cleared off, you can see how it's going to really come up to my earnings here. So this is my invite link here. And all I need to do is just copy my invite link, and once I copy my invite link, I can share it. I can share on my WhatsApp, on Facebook, on my different social media platforms, and get people to come up on this platform. And when they sign up to either the Owodaily membership plan or the Owodaily Plus plan, I actually get a commission, right? You get a commission for referring somebody to the platform, right? This is another cool way that you can actually go ahead with this. And trust me, it's actually as simple as when you actually go to a restaurant and you eat food and the food, it tastes good, you just tell your friend about it, right? When you go to a particular store and they give you good customer service, you come back and you speak to your friends. Oh, these guys, they were really helpful. I was able to get this and this. When you go to a hospital and the way they treated you was very fine, you come back and you tell people about it. That's the same way it is right here. Like, that's exactly what I'm doing right now. I actually jumped on the platform and I actually saw that this platform actually something that can actually bring me money, and I'm sharing with you. Like, as simple as it's something we do every day, right? So if you're on this platform and you're making money from it, you can also share with somebody. And instead of you just sharing with somebody and not getting a reward, you share with somebody with your invite link, and when they sign up, you get paid, you get money for yourself. So if you're a student, like, oh my god, the possibilities for everybody. Students, stay-at-home moms, you want to work from home, you have a 9 to 5. If you have a 9 to 5 and you feel you're very, very busy, why not stay in your office and you're completing tasks and you're making money, like right down there, right? You're doing 5K to 10K per day and you're good, like you're good and you're better, right? So guys, this is it basically. And just imagine by referring people, you actually get to stand a chance to win a car on the platform, guys. I believe it's something that you should actually, get started with right now. So I'm going to be leaving a link to, my URL right down there below. Don't worry, they're not going to add even 1 kobo extra if you use my link, right? All you actually want to do right here is using my link so that I will actually get a bonus, basically. I'm actually going to be very open and plain about this, right? I'm going to get a bonus, but then I'm sharing the opportunity with you guys. So why won't you use my link, right? So check it here, franklinmanuel.com/Owodaily, or go down there in the description of the video and you're going to see that link. Go ahead and smash on the link and sign up, and let's make money. Like, guys, let's make money. Let's make money online, right? So this is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to be doing more videos like this one and share with you guys, different tips and tricks and tactics that you can use to start making money online. So make sure you subscribe to this channel, smash on the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my video. And guys, with this, I'll see you in my next video.